Hi, my name is Lucas. I work at Arcee AI, and I'm going to give you a little demo of our new function calling and tool use specific model, Arcee Agent. I have a very simple app here that is doing a lot behind the scenes. On the surface, all we're doing, the user, is we're giving some keywords that we want to optimize an SEO blog post for, the title of the blog post, along with the audience we want to target, some brands we want to avoid, so we don't want to mention GPT-4 or anything like that, and then the tone and voice that we want to use with the blog. And what this is going to do is it's going to use Arcee Agent to basically decide, does it need to use the internet to find the best information? It is then going to use Arcee Agent to call our other more generalist model, Arcee Spark, to actually write it. So it's going to do it in iterations. So you're going to have it write the title, it's going to optimize and explain the keywords, then it is going to write a summary of it, then it is going to write the body of it, and then there is a function at the end that takes all of these different outputs from all of these different calls and combines it into a single blog post. So let's do that. This is typically something that you would need to use something like GPT-4 for, or Claude Sonnet, and we're doing it entirely with 7 billion parameter models that are hosted on VLLM. Let's execute that. And as you can see, it's doing a bunch of calls right now. You can see which model is currently generating. And while it's doing that, I'm going to show you something else. This is going to be Arcee Agent connected to Wikipedia and Google Search. It has been told that it can use those as it sees fit to answer the user's query. We've then connected that to Arcee Spark, which is actually going to do the generation similar to the last one. I should note that Arcee Agent is trained to be conversational, but for the purposes of this demo, I wanted to show you kind of what our suite of LLMs can do when connected to each other. What we're going to tell it is, I'm going to Hawaii in October for 5 days. My budget is $3,000. Plan my trip. And then it's using Wikipedia, and then I'll come back when it's finished generating and we'll talk about it. As much as this is a demo, I might actually use this. I do want to go to Hawaii later this year. So this is a pretty good itinerary, actually. You know, arrival and exploration, cultural immersion and sightseeing. Day 3, we're going to do some natural beauty and relaxation. Day 4 is going to be our adventure day where we're going to go snorkeling. And then day 5 is leisure and getting ready to depart. It's pretty good. And entirely done using 2 7 billion parameter models. All right, and here's the output of the blog. Now, it's really good. I'm not going to sit here and read through the whole thing, but I will move my camera so that if you want to pause and read it, you can see how it did. Now, again, this is fictional demos, but they give a good idea of the kind of stuff you can do when an LLM has the ability to use tools. This is licensed under Apache 2.0. It is entirely free to use, and we look forward to seeing what you do with it. Thank you.